5:15 in the morning. This is the first part of, sorry, I'm still asleep. This is the first part of our journey to Prague. So we're about to drive to Bristol to the airport. We're on the A30 now. It started off a bit foggy, it's cleared up a bit now, but it's nice and wet out there. So sat-nav says we're going to be there at 7:28, but I don't think that takes in the traffic, so it'll be interesting to see. But we thought we'd leave with plenty of time because we don't want to get caught out. So we've come out of Cornwall and Devon.
We've got sunshine. And
there's sunshine. Never stops raining at home. So we've, what, hour up the road?
Yeah.
Hour up the road, sunshine. But there you go. So, it's day one of our trip. Much needed trip.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't sound too excited.
Well, for me, it'd be a lot better if I was on my own, wouldn't it?
Oh well.
Sorry.
You heard it, folks.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Much needed trip.
Yeah, much needed.
Well, looking forward to it.
Look, what's
But
that?
yeah. Oh look.
Look all the lorries.
Yeah.
In Cornwall.
Oh, there, Ed. It's probably a drilling platform. So here we are at the car park. So we chose park and ride because Bristol's quite expensive. Oh, park and walk. Yeah. At the airport now. So it's about a 25-minute walk in the end, up from the car park, but not too bad. So fun begins. Get through passport control.
Long before the morning light, coffee's hot, the bags are packed. 3 long years we've waited, now there ain't no turning back. We're on our way, chasing tomorrow.
Well, made it into Prague at the airport. It's about 3/4 of an hour to get through passport control. Flight was about 1 3/4, so it wasn't too bad. Just got to try and work out how to get the hotel. Tram or Uber.
Leaving yesterday behind, we're on our way, no looking back now. This is our time to ride.
So, this is our hotel. This side's our hotel, and down here is where you get a drink and get something to eat on the riverside. It's nearly 8 o'clock and it's probably still 70 degrees. So yeah, beautiful evening. And then you got this view when you come out, and there's that weird looking building. We'll find out what that is tomorrow. But yeah, amazing location we've got. So, we're in Prague.
A long travel day. We started at 4:30 this morning. Got to Bristol for 7:45, and then trying to remember what we did. The plane left at 11, and we arrived in Prague at 2.
Yeah.
Their time, so we're an hour ahead. Got to where we're staying, which is on a hotel, and it's absolutely lovely, and we're surrounded by the most beautiful buildings. Been out for a wonderful meal. We're now tired. It's quite early, but we'll be going to our room very soon.
Yeah, so 26 in the morning we got an Uber, which is my fault because we had to be at Lipno before 10, and the only way we could get there was a train.
No, we didn't have to be there.
No, we had to be there.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we had to be there for 10, before 10 for opening. So the only actual way we had to get there was train, which gets us to Lipno at 9:45. So we've got to get a 20 to 6 Uber to go get the train. So we got a 6:20 train that then takes us with one changeover around 9 o'clock. So yeah, we will be there, but I mean, what beautiful weather. When we left the UK, certainly in the morning, you probably saw a bit of the footage of it. Was drizzly and foggy and wet and cold. It's beautiful here now. I mean, it's got to be 70 odd degrees now in the evening, early evening. So yeah, well worth the trip just to get the better weather. But yeah, see what tomorrow brings, but we're going to have an early night.
The